You're gonna need a battery change real soon.
Yeah, I know.
What? See, guys, this dog is
Double jointed.
double jointed. See? She is double jointed. She can spread her legs like sideways. I don't know.
God can do that at some point.
What? Wanna say hi? Wanna say hi? Star.
Look at yourself.
Look at yourself. Look at yourself. What?
I don't like that funny thing.
Oh. You gotta be a good girl.
You gotta listen.
You gotta listen. Yes, you got to listen. You got to listen. You gotta listen. Now my face needs cleaning.
I'm only halfway on my battery.
What? Give me a paw? You give me a paw? It's water. It's not water. It's water.
It's soda.
Oh, now it's soda. It was water.
Yeah.
Shit.
Tangerine water.
Oh,
Well, that's basically what it is.
tangerine water.
Yeah.
God. Oh, excuse me.
Okay, I just put in
Oh.
notifications on that. Let me see.
Let's scratch in the background.
Just gotta run by it.
Now you want that bed instead of Star?
Hi, go on. 2, 3, 6, 7.
You want that bed now? Huh? Is that your favorite bed?
I got 17 people on mine.
Well, who's that over there?
That's cotton.
Cotton. Cotton. You have to get up, Cotton. Well, you called me, so I gotta stretch. What? You say hello to the people? Got one. Got one ear up, one ear down. Radar hearing. Boing. Boing.
He's
A
my
boing.
special baby.
Boing. Boing, 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 boing. What? What? You love your people? Huh? Do you love your people?
Yeah, I love my people. Mama buys me food.
Who buys your food?
Mama and Daddy.
Who buys your food? Huh? Who buys your food?
This one's sitting in the chair. You buy my food too?
These dogs are a pain in the butt, but gotta love them.
Do I?
I said you gotta love them, I said.
Yeah, you always gotta love them. I get mad at some of these cruel to an animal. I don't care if it's mine or not.
I'm never cruel to anyone. I do. I put them in, I set them straight.
Yeah, that's what you do. But when you're cruel to
Yeah,
them,
you do.
I'll call the cops, the SPCA.
Yep. No cruelty to animals.
Nope.
That was a cool video of FaZe Rug.
Yeah, it was.
Donated a whole bunch of food, toys, beds, treats
Yeah, dogs and cats.
for dogs and cats. Awesome.
A little piggy. You have to get the little piggy.
Oh yeah, but a little oink oink.
Little oink oink.
Yeah, little piggy is like.
Oh yeah. You know what the thing is? The dogs will go fanatic.
Oh no, we ain't bringing no pig home. Oh hell no.
I didn't say it would.
I've been saying.
I know you just said.
Oh fuck no, man. Shoot. You know, you do that, that's all on you.
Mm. I don't know. Some people do.
Don't get me wrong, I like, pigs. Yeah, they can get big too.
You get the miniature ones. They do make miniature. They do have miniature ones.
I'm glad you checked yourself because I was just, what you're gonna say is, oh, I'm glad they make miniature ones. What the hell?
No. I saw something on Facebook. A woman had a little pig. It acted like a little baby. In miniature. Never grew anymore.
God.
You know, if you got a big enough house, big enough land, it's like. Ain't gonna take you less than $1,000 an acre.
Yeah, when are you gonna do that?
I have to do my fingers do the walking too.
Well, get your fingers do the walking then.
They're not open now.
Well, your fingers are open right now. Hey, she's trying to flip me off. Oh, what's wrong with her?
I'm your mother. I can do anything I want.
Okay. So can I.
Yeah. No.
Gee whiz. Do anything you want. Talk about persistent. Talk about persistent. Okay, I just clean you. Here, clean those ears. Miss Double Jointed.
They do clean each other.
I know.
They do love each other, and you don't bite your brother's ears.
Yeah, Missy.
Well, she was just
Okay, now I want to clean your face. Now I want to clean your ear. Now I want to clean your eyes. Your forehead.
Back to the ears.
Back to the ears. Okay, now the other side. Okay, the other ear is cleaning. No, that's good enough. I just go over here instead.
Stop chewing on his ear.
Yeah, Star. Quit.
You're wet. Your sister was just gnawing on you. She wasn't doing it hard though. What? What? What you want? I don't know if she's gonna show today.
I don't know. You're
yeah.
you were up before I do. I was.
The thing was, I put food in his bowl, and I didn't put anything in hers because she wasn't down here. She's probably hungry.
Yeah.
Star, are you hungry? Cotton, you gotta get down, sweetie. Oh, now, oh. Star, you want food?
Food.
You want food? That one's just it was empty. I don't know if you noticed, one go way out.
Dogs are about to get fed. That's why they're bugging, because they're a little bit hungry. Oh, excuse me.
I don't know how much you but I give you enough. So, Star, come here. Cotton, I'll get you some, okay? This is yours. I'll get you some.
Yep, she's hungry.
Yep. Come here, girl. Come here. No, what? No, not you, Star. Star, you
Star.
get your own food.
Your food's over there.
Here, no. Star, this is Cotton's. Okay?
Jeez, thinks everything's hers.
Yeah, well, it always works the other way around, too. He thinks everything's his.
Okay, guys. Tell me this. Hold on. What dog? I've never heard of a dog take both food from her bowl
Excuse me.
and take it away
Stand on the roof.
and stand somewhere else and eat. That's what he does. Watch this. Takes it, walks over there. Yes, you can see the tail of him. Okay,
He did that.
and he's going back over there and walks away. I've never seen that before until we got these dogs.
Yeah, until they went to the shoebox. They knew at the house.
A little bit. Most of the time you were sleeping.
Well, I worked all night.
That's what I just said.
Oh, okay.
You were asleep. What part of that you didn't understand? Oh my God.
Mama kept weird hours.
Yeah, Mama kept weird hours.
Get up at 7. And go to bed till about 11.
Or 12.
Yeah. And then I get up at 5:30. 6.
6:30.
Yeah.
I'm so tired. I had to go back to bed.
Yeah, I know, but I took a shower at 7:30, remember? I missed that walk-in closet. Got more room than this walk-in closet.
Well, I tell you, with all the crap you had in there, you had no room.
Nothing?
Oh, the other
Oh,
one, shoebox.
yeah.
No, the house.
The house. I still had walking room inside of it.
Not much.
Well,
Walk,
enough for me.
well, fuck, still walk straight in and that's it. Walk straight out.
I had clothes on both sides, and I had computer stuff on one side.
You had, Mom, you had clothes all the way around.
Yeah, I know.
Okay? And crap up here, crap up here, crap up here.
It wasn't all crap.
And all crap along the bottom.
It wasn't all crap.
I call it crap.
God.
Yeah. Shoot.
Shoebox. I had a sliding door, and I couldn't, it's like trying to shove it in.
That wasn't a closet, that was a storage corner. Seriously, that wasn't a closet. Even for our closet, it wasn't a closet.
Yeah.
It's just a wider storage room.
I had one. You opened the door, and that's where I kept my coat.
Yeah, you walked in, basically, it's right there. Boom.
Yeah. Then I had a wooden closet. Well, that helped all the running.
Yeah, that's what they were. They were hungry.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, they were hungry.
In a way, I miss the house. In a way, I don't miss the
I
house.
don't miss the house.
Yeah.
I don't miss all that echoing, man.
Yeah,
You can hear someone across the freaking... You can hear someone across... What? What'd you say? Oh, yeah, I heard you loud and clear.
Because the hardwood floors. I had no other choice.
Yeah, I know.
Thanks to my grandsons. I hope you don't put this on the...
I sure will. I have it my way, I put everything up.
Nah, I don't think everything.
Well, I'll cut it up, but you know, just like the last video,
No,
I
I
just
had a movie camera and you're getting dragged on the damn steering by the dogs.
yeah, you would do that. I've done that. I've taken the camera downstairs while I was being pulled. I've done that. Lost that footage. Lost all kinds of footage. Whatever I have is on that external hard drive, which is it's a lot of it's pieces, you know, just clips.
Yeah.
And I can't piece them together because I took it way too many different times. You know, they were done with the Sony camera. You know.
Oh, wow. He's over here flipping his paws. I guess he's done.
And she's done too. She's walking over there.
Yeah, eating.
Oh, jeez, what's wrong with these guys?
I guess the pollen is.
Yeah, pollen's really bad this year.
Yeah, I can tell. Oh, my back of my throat burns.
That only happens to me when I have my throat's sore.